Welcome back. Today we'll be joining the Brisbane Jeep Club on a day trip up to Fort Bribie on Bribie Island. Our journey will take us through the island's breathtaking landscape as we explore the hidden treasures along with the stunning beaches all the way up to Fort Bribie. So sit back, relax, and join us as we soak up the sun and explore the beauty of this remarkable destination. If it wasn't on video, no one would believe it, but we were actually early. So we're the first car there, but it gave us time to air down to 18 psi before everyone arrived. With the extra time we went exploring. We found this amazing structure. Unfortunately there's no signage, so I can't tell you exactly what it was, but it's definitely a relic from World War II and would have been linked to Fort Bribie in some way. With all 6 vehicles arrived and the usual Jeep chatter done, it was time to hit the beach and head north along the beach up to Fort Bribie.
Sorry team, I'm coming up now.
So the first dune on our left, that is literally, there was another dune pretty much in front of that dune, so we lost a lot of sand during the storms.
So once we parked at the furthest northern point that you can take a vehicle, 5 of us set off to go and explore Fort Bribie, while everyone else stayed back and enjoyed the beach. While conducting research on Fort Bribie for this video, I uncovered the fascinating fact that there are numerous other remains of the camp still situated behind the dunes, in addition to the structure that you see on the beach. I'm excited to share that we plan to return to the area in the near future, and with the aim of uncovering all of these hidden locations and sharing them with you in another video. Once we got back with all the group, it was time to spend some time in the surf, and what better way to enjoy it than on Bazza the bin chicken. With all the modern pressures we have in this world, it's harder and harder to get these days where you can just relax, do nothing, and have a good laugh with some great mates, while enjoying the sun on your back and the sand between your toes, and the incredible sound of the ocean in the background. Can you think of a better day?